Vlogmas day 10. I did not film that much today. I probably won't have that much footage. This lighting looks awful on me. Gonna go take a final real quick. Yeah, then might get some Chick-fil-A afterwards. This is my last final. Next semester I student teach, so that's the plan. I'm home for my final, passed my final, got 100, and eating a guilty pleasure. I know McDonald's is so bad for you, but every now and then you just gotta get you a large fry, sweet tea, and a McChicken. Yeah, that's definitely one of my guilty pleasures. Not others. Some people don't care for McDonald's at all, but every now and then I love a good fry. Dude, nobody was talking to you. Toby? Okay, Mimi. This is what he does every time. You say Mimi, Toby comes. We've got the Grinch on in here, but we're gonna go in the kitchen now. So, preheated the oven, and I'm gonna pop these cookies in. Y'all know these are everyone's favorite Christmas time cookies, the little ones you get. They're Pillsbury. Ooh, this oven is hot, y'all. Okay, and then my other pan. Oh, I cannot do this. And we're gonna set our timer. For 10 minutes. Okay, my hair's a mess. So, dilemma. I get my nails done on Thursday. I get dip powder on my nails every 3 weeks. I've been an acrylic person for years. Like, I've got acrylics forever. I have the shortest nails ever. And all of a sudden I started doing dip and my nails grow. Like, it's incredible. Like, my nails actually are longer than some of the acrylics I've gotten sometimes. So I'm getting dip on Thursday and I get them done every 3 weeks. They last really good. Kind of want to get silver glitter with like just the ring finger red glitter, because by the time it's 3 weeks again, it'll be like January 2nd. So I don't want them to be too Christmassy once Christmas is over. But like this video and comment below if you have trouble figuring out what you're going to do for your nails every time you get them done. This like fourth zip that says Pink Los Angeles underneath, and this like pink Pepto-Bismol looking jacket is from Amazon. It was like 20 bucks. I got it last year during Christmas time. Maybe it was $30. I don't know. But it's so warm. It has pockets. It's pink. If you're a pink lover like me, I will definitely try to link it in the description box. If not, I will link one similar, but I love it. My mom thinks it's so cute. She wants one, but get you a Pepto-Bismol coat. I wish y'all could smell these cookies through this thing. But they're done. They don't look done, but they're done because the bottoms of them are looking a little crisp. That is how you know they're done. Honestly, they're perfect because they're like crisp enough, but they're not too done. And I hate when cookies are too done. I love gooey cookies. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out because I've got to go take a shower, get ready for bed. But I'll see y'all tomorrow for Vlogmas day 11. Can't hold up 2 fingers because the other hand's filming. Bye, see y'all tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Well, I went to Dunkin' and their iced latte machine was down. So, now I'm at Starbucks. So before, when I used to film, I would film on like the front camera of my iPhone, and then my brother told me to use the back camera, and it's so much clearer, which can almost be a bad thing. Excuse this is just Mother Nature and the time of the month. Went and had Panera with my dad today, just ran a few errands, got ready, went and got a coffee after. He had to go get some tires for his car, and we're about to go to my aunt's soon. I'm wearing this Minnie Mouse Christmas sweatshirt, but yeah. That's really what's going on today. Totally forgot I was going to show y'all. I went to TJ Maxx earlier with my dad. These are the cookies I made last night. But I found 2 really cool items from Rae Dunn and wanted to show them. So I was just kind of roaming in the back, and this hot cocoa tumbler was off to the side by itself. I have the one for fall time that says pumpkin spice on it. I actually bought it from someone else locally. But I did get this one in my local TJ Maxx. It's so cute. It says hot cocoa. It's about this big, if you can tell. And it is $12.99. And that's all that I had planned on getting in that store. I was checking out, and my dad knows I love Rae Dunn. So we're literally at the checkout counter, and he like looks up and was like, oh, isn't that Rae Dunn? And he spotted this. I don't know how I didn't see it, but it's this really big supplies bag. It says supplies on both sides. And as a future teacher, this is awesome. And I could not believe how cheap these are. $5.99 for this like huge supplies bag. So I thought that was really awesome, and I'm really excited for the finds that I found today.
What's up, y'all? Over here at Nana's eating some dinner. Good food right here, barbecue, you know what I'm saying? Deuces.
Watching me watching your trash. It felt like watermelon. They're like it was watermelon flavor. I wanted to try.
Just got home from my aunt's, and I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.